Hi everybody, today I will try to make cool art for a photo of popular person, for example MARKO, why not? At the end of the video I will send this art to the stories and mark his nickname, let's see his reaction. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and we're going. For this video I will take the source from the Pexel site, as on the site you will find the free photos or videos in good quality. By the way, for this art I will take this photo. First I upload the photo in Photoshop and start cutting it out. After a photo is cut out, I take a fluffy rubber band and lightly walk around the edges of the photo, so that it fits better with the background. Then I pick up the background and paint the glow on the walls. You will understand soon enough. Once the background is finished, I take a photo of the skeleton, crop it out and fit in the MARKO proportion. But since the skeleton didn't quite fit, I found a better photo. Now it looks more beautiful. Then I put the skull layer in the background and draw it over MARKO's face. I also used various brush shapes for this. After that, I paint light and shadow on the skull to make it look more beautiful. At the same time, I adjust the face and skull shade to the same shade and add a small shadow from the face to create a blending effect. Then I decided that the background didn't look good and deleted it. White was a great color. After that, I slightly dimmed the light and tweaked the filter settings. Bam! Boom! Guys, I hope you enjoyed, because this work in this video took a lot of time and effort, and I also don't speak English. Seriously, this is the first time I record video in English. It's all for you. And now I post this art on my Instagram, the link to which you will find in the description, and indicate MARKO in the phone. And also posted in the story that there is more chance of success. I just have to wait. And during this time I will ask you to subscribe to my channel and like the video, because I tried. Well, now we are watching. Unfortunately, I don't see his answer on the spot, but this doesn't mean that you need to give up. I have to fight to the last, and therefore I will continue to make art of popular people and do everything possible to make them noticing. But I urge you to follow my videos and subscribe to my channel, because the more of us, the more motivation I have to make such videos. By the way, guys, I also have an account on the Fiverr where I do various custom work in the form of editing, photo editing, etc. If you like something, write me on Fiverr, and for a small amount I can make a cool art or a cool video. If anything, my nickname is not real. If you like this video format, then like it and write in the comments who I will draw next time. Well, I say goodbye to you, see you again, bye.